Voila, hello friend, welcome to Go Digital Masterclass. So today we are going to continue from where we stopped in our last class. Don't forget, where we stopped in our last class is customizing our Facebook page for business purpose. So now what we'll be looking at today, let's go straight into the business of today. What we'll be looking at today is how to add product to our shop and some other settings that we can do on our page. So firstly, I will click on shop, which we've created the other day. Then the first thing they will ask you is you should agree with their markup terms and services. So all you need to do is click on I agree to terms and policies, then click on continue. Then they will ask you which method of checkout do you want customer to use. Do you want them to message you when they are clicking on your product, or you want them to check out on another website? I prefer checking out on another website, simply because you want to direct people to an external website where they can pay for your product or place order. But when they message you, most of the time messengers, people don't reply. Even when they message you themselves, after that they don't reply anymore. So I'm going to click on checkout on another website. So click on continue. So you're going to ask you which currency do you want people to pay you with. Is it your Nigerian naira or US dollar? So any currency you want to get paid with, you select that currency here. So I'm okay with Nigerian naira, so I'm going to click on save. By so doing, you've created your shop, and all you need to do is start adding products to your shop. Click on add products, then make sure all the information of your product is readily available. Now let's assume, for instance, I want to sell shoes. All I need to do is click on add photos, then click on select files, or you drag and drop your files here. Click on select files. So I have some images of all these footwears on my computer, so I'm going to use this. Like, I have a video of it as well. I can't find it. I'm just going to move on. So once you select all these images, click on open. After that, once you click on open, then you click on use photo. It means you want to use all these 4 images. Now the next thing is giving your product a name. So this is a classic elastic canvas. Yeah, well, I've made research about the footwear, so that's how I'm able to get the name of the footwear. Classic elastic canvas. Then price, when it comes to pricing technique, instead of 8,000 naira, just like that, I can decide to put 7,999 naira 89 kobo. I don't think you get that. 7,999 naira 89 kobo. You'll be wondering, what's the meaning of this? It's not up to 8,000 naira anymore. Well, that is style of pricing. And also you can decide to make it, okay, you can decide to make it 8,249 naira 89 kobo. 249 naira 89 kobo. The person will know that he or she is buying this product for 8,250. Now you can see this button at the bottom. This product is on sales. This means you are doing some kind of promo which you would like people to buy that product at a cheaper rate. Well, when it comes to marketing strategy or tactics, I will select this product is on sale, then I'm going to put this as sales price, the original price as sales price. Okay, then I'm now going to change the price aspect to, let me say, 459 naira 99 kobo. By so doing, it means I'm giving discount on this particular product, whereas I am not giving any discount. So you need to know about this. So now under description, the best thing you should put here is the description of the product, the sizes that are available, then the colors. So size and colors. So I'm going to put, let me say 42, let me say 41, 42, 43 and 44. Then I have, it is I have blue, I have black, and I have ash color. So that is for that. Now under checkout URL, that means the website where people are going to pick your product. In the subsequent class, I'll be showing you how to create a payment platform and list your product on it without any hassle. How you can list your product on a payment platform where people can get you paid. You don't necessarily need to have a website. This platform has created you a page on their website where you can upload your products, then people can pay you, and once they pay you, you get the money in your bank account almost immediately. So for the purpose of this class, I'm just going to put GoDigital Masterclass.com. So now after that, select the condition of your product. Is it new, is it old, and so on. Then feasibility, share or make it public and other things. So the last thing here is click on save. Once you click on save, you've created your product. In your own situation, you may be able to see add product. I've created my product, so I want to go ahead and click add another product rather. So I'm going to make this one very quick. You can see this is the products we've added to our page. So this is what we'll be looking at today. See you in the class. Bye bye.